Hi everyone, Rene with whyamigreen.com, and we're at the end of the season. I pulled up all my plants today on my deck garden, and a lot of people ask me, what do you do with your soil and how do you finish up at the end of the year? So I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. So here's my Dutch bucket system that I had out here earlier in the year. The buckets actually started all the way over there where the swing is. I actually moved them once we pick up the buckets. They started over there and they came all the way down here and ended up all the way over here with another water bucket, feeding bucket. And you can see here's all the, I said Dutch bucket, I should have said Alaska bucket system. And of course the Alaska bucket system, if you look inside here, are the ones that have a colander in the bottom, and there's the bag inside with the soil. So what I did was I cut all the plants down. You can see right now they're all draining, but you can see over here where I cut all the plants off, chopped them all up in small pieces, have them in a big trash can to bring over to the dump. And what I did with the soil, with some of them, and I'm going to be doing it with the rest, is dumping them right over the edge here. And whoa! And right down in there. Now, of course, I had a big system down there, if you recall. And that's where I had my corn on the cob and my 23-foot long green beans that came all the way up there. Oops. I should say to the top of those bird feeders. So what I did is I ripped that apart over there, ripped it apart, took the floor off of the system that I had for water, because I had my grow bags in there. And down over here I had 2 swimming pools with grow bags. I took those out, and I took the wooden frame from the one that was there and put it here without the floor. So I'm dumping all my soil down there. I'll be taking those bags out of those, and you can see there's my grow bags down just below it. Those are going to be dumped out, so I'll have all the soil sitting there for the rest of the year, for the fall and throughout the winter and the spring. I'll either use that as a grow bed, or I will take the soil and start all over again, because it's composting. It has some tomatoes in there. So that's what I did. Hope you like it, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.